Hey guys, I have been meaning to organize this for the longest. I've just been putting it off. Finally, I decided to go ahead and do it. So this is what I'm using, and this is my tea cabinet. I'm gonna be cleaning out everything first and then starting from scratch and organizing it and then putting it back in. Hopefully this holds everything, but we shall see. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is what I got to organize it. Yeah, let me show you the mess. So, super unorganized. I kind of just throw things in there because I use it so often, but this is my daughter's medicine caddy. So I think I'm gonna just leave that alone, another organization for another day. But this is the area that I need to get together. Got it empty out. I'm just wiping down the shelves. Alright guys, I'm just unboxing. So it has a lid, compartments, perfect. And it looks like there's another one in here that I can't get out. Two of the same thing. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I took out of that cabinet. And then here's some more. Some of these things don't even belong in that drawer or that cabinet, so I will be purging some or replacing them, putting them where they're supposed to be. So yeah. Closes nicely and you can still see everything. That's what I really like about it. It's clear. So awesome. did this one off camera because it was pretty basic. I just finished putting in my jasmine tea, my favorite, and then some random ones. These two individual circle ones are actually flowers. They're pretty cool. Once you drop them in the water, they open up. But yeah, I can't believe I have more space for more tea, because I actually stopped buying tea because I hated how cluttered my cabinet was getting. So that's awesome. I think I'm just gonna leave this Tivana one as is, because it's pretty aesthetically pleasing by itself, and they're also not wrapped in paper, so I'll probably just leave that one. It's so satisfying to get rid of all those boxes. And I added my little manatee tea. I forgot what they're called, but basically you can put your loose teas, which I don't have. Actually, I just have one. And I can put that in there, and then you just kind of hang it on your mug, and then it brews your tea. It's super cute. It's silicone. I forgot where I got it, and I love how the play on words, manatee. But yeah, so I added that in there because it needed a home. And then pretty much done. I'm just gonna put these two boxes in the cabinet. It's clean and ready to store some tea. I'm just gonna do that for now. I love these because you could stack them and I could have like 2 more. This is like tea heaven for a tea lover. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it here since I have so much space. Actually, let's consolidate, because now I have space to put something totally different from tea. Here, so I'm gonna put that in there. Have these honey sticks. Some more sweetener. I'm not a coffee drinker, but this is from when my mom comes over. More honey. Oh, this doesn't fit. Dang it. I guess I'm gonna have to move this up here because I want it visible. And then I will put my honey right here. And then we have some more honey. Just want everything visible. My date syrup. Monk fruit sweetener, and then I have some matcha, and I will put this right here for now. Probably gonna try to move this into a jar, but yeah, it looks so much more neat. I am satisfied. There we go. So much more neater, night and day. Love it. All right, that is it. Quick and dirty, quick and clean. Actually, it was pretty easy, so awesome. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you.